All right. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever country you are connecting from. You're welcome to the weekly market review with FX Media himself. All right. Good to have you guys right here. And I believe you guys can hear me clearly. Okay, so today is Sunday, which happens to be the last Sunday of the month of November, and this week is the last week for the month of November. All right, a lot has been happening in the market here, so we're going to be looking at how far the market has gone and opportunities to take advantage of on the market because the year is wrapping up, so we can make a lot of money before the festive period. Okay, do not use your investment money to enjoy yourself. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, so if you are not yet financially balanced, what you should focus more on is investment in yourself, investment in knowledge. And one of the ways to invest in is what? This forex trading right here. Invest in the education. And for the education, you have the opportunity of being part of FX Media Forex Academy. All right, with your dedication and seriousness to the right cause. Okay, so this is a YouTube live market review with everyone connecting from different countries of the world. I don't know why we're few today. I don't know where the others, but we should get to 100 in no time, at least 100 plus by the grace of God. All right, so if you really value this YouTube market review, you wouldn't miss it for anything. There's this guy testimony. I'm sure testimony is here. And I'm sure Igwe is here. These guys, they don't miss it at all. I'm very sure of these two guys. I know of some other person, but I don't remember their name. But see testimony and Igwe, I'm sure of them. I'm sure you're gonna see their message. Okay. Now I've seen Light Igwe. Light Igwe. Say good evening, boss. I'm Light Igwe from Abuja. It's connecting from Abuja. Beautiful. Nice one. Catherine, yeah, good to see you. Femi, all right, good to see everyone. Emmanuel said, oh, want my helper. Ahmed said, I fit reach tomorrow like this. Value, value forex. All right. Even use my picture as a YouTube. Wow. Okay. Where is testimony? So, I don't see him. Osaherume. Ume testimony. Yeah, this guy. This guy is too much. It's too much. He's a good man. All right. Beautiful. So if you're a newbie in this class, right, just stay in the class. I invited you here so you can be in the gathering of successful traders. All right, so you too can be successful as well. Okay, you may not understand everything that is going to be taught tonight, but just stay in the class. Like I told you guys earlier, just what? Stay in the class. Okay, then I know expert traders are here, so we are going to be looking at the markets. There's a whole lot of money in forex trading. Yeah, a whole lot of money in forex trading in which you can make money for yourself. Okay, but what gives birth to this money is when you have the right and sound knowledge of the financial market. If you don't have a right and sound knowledge of the financial market, instead of you to be making money from the market will be making money from you. And that is not what we want in FX media. All right. Probably it's taking you time to make money from the market. You need to check yourself well. Maybe you are doing something wrong, or you learned the wrong way, or you learned the right way, but you didn't do the necessities. All right, so check yourself well. Those of us that are winning fantastic. This year has been a very fantastic year. You guys are already aware of two guys, in which one made about 56 million, 58 million plus. The other one made over 300 million. And these boys are just 20 years old. That's crazy. Real money, not demo, not audio money, real money. And you have the one that currently visited me, which is Gospel. The guy, the flip account any day, in which he dashed me 100K. I'm sure most of you that have been following my status saw that. He dashed me 100K to buy bottled water. And that's amazing. And that's that gift I've been connected. If you have been making profitable withdrawals and you've not sowed a seed in FS Media Life, it shows that you're one of the ungrateful person in this life. Because giving you a fantastic knowledge for free like that, and you are not appreciative, then that you must be a very, very amazing person. Very, very amazing person. All right. So, guy, Oyema Peter, wonderful. This Oyema Peter that bought a car, fantastic guy. He's now a daddy. A daddy. How is our baby? How's the baby doing? He recommended at 5G for me to use, and I'm using it, and it's working well for me. Thank you for that recommendation. Yeah. So we're going to go into the markets. Igu, I see you. All right, so we're at 92. I said we're going to get to 100 plus. We should be getting to 1,000. You guys, I'm giving you value for free. The least you can do is to share the link on your story, invite more people to our academy. Those of you that are referring this academy to people, you guys are fantastic. You guys are too much. All right, I have you guys at heart. Okay, so if you've not yet referred anybody to the academy, that means you don't love your people around you. All right, to show them how to make money, give them an opportunity to make money for themselves. Do you like a situation whereby they are coming to beg you for urgent 20K or please pay my rent or something? Help them with a permanent knowledge that will produce results for them and money. So you give them the opportunity of being under what? FX Media Academy. All right, so I'm going to take a picture here, but we're already at what? Okay, beautiful. So we are good to fly. Hope my voice is not breaking and we're good. All right. Yeah, Oseni, my boy. This one, you know, they miss. I also remember him, Oseni. Okay, so we are on the chat. I believe you can all see my screen. So I was saying earlier that if you're a newbie in this class, you may not understand what we are doing. I invited you over so that you can, you know, be among successful traders. All right. It may be confusing to you, but it's not difficult. Don't worry, you get to that level where we are. But we're going to be doing analysis on professional level right here. So don't feel frustrated. No, first it is not hard. I just want you to be there. Remember, I said if you mingle with 5 millionaires, you end up becoming the sixth millionaire. If you mingle with 5 billionaires, you end up becoming the what sixth millionaire. All right, so that is how it works. So you being in a circle of successful traders, you end up becoming a successful trader. So that is how it works. Okay, so stay in the class, stay to the end. At least you can grab one or two things. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe right now. Turn on your notification, like and share this FS Media Forex Academy. All right, so share the good news to everyone. Okay, yeah, and I'm looking forward to more of you being successful. I'm looking more I'm looking forward to more of you guys trades, profitable trades, you know, that you're withdrawing maximum profit and you're sending it to my DM. If you make any withdrawal from the market, send it to me. And for you being under FX Media, you have to use TENTRADE, all right? And you have to be signed up under FX Media so you can benefit other amazing offers that we have, all right? You can use the promo code FX Media 28, okay? And use that FS Media what 28. You can find the promo code on our website www.fsmediatrade.com, or you go to TENTRADE website, use the promo code FS Media 28 in small letter. All right, so don't forget that it's for your own good. So you can join the free VIP signal room. Not just register, fund your account or purchase a funded account, then send me proof. I'll verify from my back end before sending you link. So better offers, more amazing stuff are still rolling in. So do not sleep on the opportunities that we have. We finally hit 100. Fantastic. Fantastic. Good to have you guys right here. Okay, let me post it on Facebook quickly. I'm not posted on Facebook, but I also have a community on Facebook. Okay. All right. Let's go. Like Tigwe said, the market will not make money for me in Jesus' name, because the market is not making money from my boss, David. Rather, my boss is making money. My boss is making money from the FX market. I'm proud to be FX Media. Beautiful, amazing. Annabelle said, "Sir, I've been trying to reach you on Instagram, but you've not replied yet." All right, we send your message after tonight's live stream. Okay, I'll check my Telegram today. Sorry about that. You know, so I referred two of my friends, and they're already in the academy learning. Fantastic. That's great. Thank you very much, Sulaimon. Yeah, that's FS without 28. Sylvester, your F is wrong. It's small letter, small letter. Just like how Sulaimon typed it, FS Media 28. That's the promo code. Ascent Snares, I can see you. Welcome. If you are not seeing my board clearly, that's my chat clearly, please change your network. Change your network to something good. All right, change it to high quality. No, they use rubbish data to join this live. Okay, no, they use them. No, they use them. Okay, you use something good so that your screen can be clear. If you are using an iPhone or using any Android, actually you're using a phone, turn your phone to landscape mode so it can be clearer. Look at my video, landscape mode. But if you are using a system, fine, you don't need to turn your system upside down. If you do it like this, you may not see clearly. So do it like this, use high quality on YouTube and not low quality, okay, for your own good. So I'm using a very strong network, a 5G, okay? So any network issue you're having should be from your own end. All right, let's dive right into the charts. So we're going to be looking at JPYPs and how far it has been. You might be wondering, what are these things on my chart? Don't worry, this is on my chart for private students, okay? And how to use it. It's for students who are actually in the academy. Yeah, it's a very wonderful stuff, okay? All right, so let's identify the trend of the markets and see how far it's been going. Okay, you know, we've been following JPY since this year. All right, Donald Trump win actually made the market to boost. Bitcoin is booming. USD is doing marvelously well. Okay, so, and there are more things to explain. Let me give you guys a fantastic insight about Donald Trump win. Now, you need to understand that most of the analysis are going to work. They're going to make money. There's going to be nice volatility in the market, and there'll be opportunities to make money from the market. So here's the opportunity as Donald Trump has won. Okay, so I'll just give you guys a market insight on that. So take advantage of it, fund your account, buy a PopFM account under TENTRADE using the FS Media promo code, and you're going to fly, make money, no time, no time. All right, so we are still on an uptrend in which the market is doing a market correction, right? As a result of this dump. Hope you're looking at my mouse. As a result of what? This dump, based on what you are following, it has created a W, major W, and created a small W here, in which markets are started ranging like this to this point. Now, I told you guys that market is eventually going to get here. You could buy your market in a small lot size and leave it. Definitely it's going to get here. Trust me. Definitely it's going to get here. I said there's a manipulation of the market, but it's definitely going to correct this fall. Definitely. I did beat my chest on that. All right. And that does not mean that you should go and knock on better lot too. I don't send you that one. Knock with sense. Knock with sense. Okay. I know you guys that 0.01 cannot make mama proud. Is it? It cannot make your mama proud. We now say me on WhatsApp. Send me a message on Telegram. Anybody that have not gotten a reply on WhatsApp, send me a message on Telegram after this class. Okay. Thank you. All right, so let's analyze. So we already know that it's in our uptrend. So what do? We start plotting our what? Our support, resistance, demand zones, liquidity grab, FBG, and so on and so forth. All right. So our trend lines as well. Okay. So let's analyze. Market has been on a serious range. On a serious range, which is definitely going to break out of here. All right, it's definitely going to break out of here. So how do we know when the market is going to break out of what here? So let's go. We had a W pattern that formed here, okay, that took out the neckline right here. As it took out the neckline, it started buying up. Let me use a drawing pen so that it will be easier for us. Oh, where this guy now? Ah, where I see that drawing pen that here? Okay, it's supposed to do here. All right, let's go. This is AUDJPY for those that are asking. Okay, so I'll say something. The market did a what? A W here, right? Broke out of neckline up to this what resistance zone, and what sellers brought the market down to this place. All right, creating a lower high and a lower low to the downside. All right. So what do we do from here? We go to the lower time frame, which is the next lower time frame is what? 1 hour time. All right, so let's go. 1 hour. Winner is asking, what loss I can we use to make mama proud? The loss I can use to make mama proud, well, it's from 0.1 and above. 0.1, not 0.01, 0.1 and above. Want to make mama proud very well, one standard lot. Should to go, but knock and better lot with sense. So, okay, apply proper risk management. No go talk say, mentor say make we knock am better lot. I can't go knock am better lot. My account come blow. Hey, mentor don't sabi anything. They give me bad advice. I'm not giving you any bad advice. I don't tell you. If you are going to knock a better lot, ensure that you have applied proper risk management. Your analysis is sure. Okay, and yeah, that is it. Okay. Okay, am I clear now, guys? Am I clear? If I'm clear, let me know. If I'm not clear, you type I'm not clear. Am I clear now? Yeah, I'm clear now. All right, so I believe I'm clear right now. All right, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, someone was saying I should expand my screen. Right. Oh, oh. Okay, so back to what we're analyzing. So we're on the 1 hour time frame. So let's plot our trend line that shows a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay. Then we plot this. Our lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Fire inside you. If you not receive your certificate, it means that you did not fill the form. And even if you fill the form, you did not fill it on time. Okay. All right. For 2023, long, long. Or maybe you submitted the wrong email because there's nobody that was left out except you fall under the category of these two persons that is submitted late or you submitted the wrong email. All right, so let's continue. Now, on 1 hour time frame, we have a psychological level here of a resistance. As you can see with this line, that's a horizontal line. Market was what reacting right here. Okay, so let's go to 30 minutes. All right, so market was ranging at this place, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's ranging on a particular level. And if, as you can see clearly, we have market to what? To have created a double top right here. The market closed in bearish, bearish. Okay, sorry, in this bullish candle, market just opened. So obviously this is the new candle. Market has opened at 10 o'clock. So if this candle, listen guys, if this candle closed bearish like this, you know that we're going to be expecting a movement to the downside like this. We're going to expect a movement to the downside. But if it closes bullish like this, then we expect a retest, then market pumps up to this place. You know, this is a major resistance zone. But as day traders, we're also looking at intraday trading to look at opportunities to take sniper entries in the market. The market is very easy to make money from. It's just for you to have the right knowledge, all right, the sound knowledge. Okay, so these are what I'm actually looking out for. Let's go to 30 minutes, 15 minutes. All right, so as you can see in 15 minutes, we have a temporal uptrend like this, like a counter trend. So let's see how we can take advantage of the sell. Okay, so this is not a bad one. This 49 pips, not a bad one. It's fair. Maybe if you want to start trading a share session tonight, fine. But me, I'm waiting for the close of this candle. All right, the close of this candle is going to give me direction to trade. Okay, I'm not taking any trade right now. I'll wait for the close of a 30 minutes candlestick. All right, if I don't have a clear confirmation, I'll wait for 1 hour close of the candlestick. Okay, so that is it. All right, so if market breaks above, I should be looking out for opportunities to start buying back to this resistance. Remember that this is a higher time frame resistance, right? So let's go and look at it on 4 hours. So you can see this, where market is generally consolidating. The moment we have a breakout out of the major resistance zone, then we expect more buys. Okay, so currently as intraday trader and day trader, what do? you can take advantage of what this temporal sell or a temporal buy. But the candlestick is going to give us a what? A direction to trade. Okay. So that is it for AUDJPY. Let's do for another market to look into. So let's pick GBPJPY, one of my favorite pairs. This GBPJPY has given me millions in the Forex market. Has given me millions. Okay. So we've been following GBPY pairs for long, as you can see, and we're expecting a buy. Market is expected to buy. Look at that thing that I did for you guys. Market gets up here and dump to this place. Do you remember that? And look at where market is. Almost exactly as I predicted it to be, that market will rise, come to psychological zone, and dump to this place. And that's what happened. If you're wise and you have taken the trade based on the market review that I'm sharing with you guys, you have been in good money. All right, either for the dump for sell or for the buy from here. All right, market has tapped into this support zone. What are we going to do? We are going to expect more buys. When they worry this my trend line, you know what? You know what? Stay one place. It's my line one, stay one place. Still share that. I'm trying to stress me. Okay, so it broke out of this zone, created a bullish candle. All right, so let's map out our lower lows and lower highs. Here we have it. Lower lows, lower high. On the past, we had market close bullish. Okay, so based on it has tapped into the zone. Overall, I'm looking out for opportunities to buy. But before I buy, I must have what? The market must have what? Broken this trend line, come for a retest, and push to the upside. You get. So let's go and look at it on intraday trading, which is the 1 hour time frame. Let's go. So we are there already. We are there. Okay. We have this, like I said, a bearish move to the downside. We have lower high, lower high, lower high. And now a W is about creating, in which we have a bearish engulfing here, a bearish candle, and also a bearish engulfing here. Once the candle close, if it close for a bearish, you expect market to go down as predicted, to come down, gather momentum, and push up. How do I mean? Like this. To come down like this, gather momentum, break out of the trend line, come for a test, and what? Push up. So thereby creating a W pattern. All right. Or it may break out, we test from here and move. So whichever possibilities that are looking out for, we take. So we are looking out strictly for buy opportunities in the market. So 30 minutes, let's go down to 30 minutes time frame. All right, so I'm not taking this sell. I'll just wait for the market to come to me. Don't chase the market. Allow the market to come to you. All right, let's come to you before you execute your. Banga is asking, sad. Did you go live every day or it's only on Sunday? Only on Sunday when I'm around. Yeah, that is it. When I'm around, I go live on Sunday. All right. So you guys can suggest pair that you want us to look into. Pair that you've analyzed that makes sense. Is this guy here? What's his name again? Is it Alan? Elan, my boy. Yeah, he was suggesting a pair on my WhatsApp. I just saw the notification pop up, but I didn't check it. I think he's talking about CHFJPY. But let me go and check on WhatsApp. All right, so suggesting GBPJPY, GBPUSD, and USDJPY. Higher time frame, remove. Okay, so we have this. Market is currently on the resistance zone, sorry, on the support zone. We have different kind of candlestick forming there. Bearish, indecision candle, bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Okay, so there's a confusion right there. So let's map out our lower highs and lower lows. All right, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so on a similar base, since it's on a fantastic support, I'm expecting a sell to the downside and a push up. Once it breaks out trend line, that's my entry. You understand? That is my entry. That's my entry. Okay. All right. 30 minutes time frame. Let's go there. So once it comes down, give us a move that we're expecting, then I expect a push to the upside. If you can see clearly on this place, here, this is lower high, higher low, sorry, higher low. So market is building a momentum like upward, upward, upward. So it's building bullish momentum, in which is going to create another one. And what? Since it's building like that, we expect a breakout right there. But there could be a fundamental that could drag the market down. So, like I always say, wait for the market to open up very well. Probably wait for Asian section or wait for London section, whichever one. Okay. So that is it for USDJPY. Okay, let me look at what you guys are suggesting. JPY pairs are similar, so I want to see something else. Okay, gold. Let's look at gold. If you are yet to get your funded account, let me give you a tip now. The funded accounts are likely going to increase in price. I'm not supposed to tell you this, but due to the fact that you guys are my Gs, are my students and mentees, okay, it's likely going to increase in price. So if you love yourself, go and what? Go and do what? Go and get your funded account or fund your account. The rate is still going to get higher. Okay, do that ASAP. It's for your own good. Also, as an Android user, what time frame should we start analyzing the market from? See, 15 minutes time frame, sir. What about if they make? I don't understand. Please, when you guys are typing, type where I beg. You cannot go sweat for myself. All right. Gold has been what? Bullish. Fantastic. Has been bullish. Okay. So anything that we're looking out for is a buy. But let's go to 4 hours. See, I call that move of a sell. Fantastic sell. Broker retested and is pushing up. And we have an interesting zone right here. So we are expecting a retracement. But let's go to 1 hour time. Now market has taken this high. Yeah, once this candle closes, it confirms the high that has been what taken. So we're expecting a retracement. A retracement to the downside. Why? Because of this level, this psychological level here. This guy. I'm going to map it out. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Psychological level here, which market is going to retrace a bit. And if it has enough momentum, it will push up. But there are a series of psychological level here that are likely going to push, make the market react. For me, I'm just going to wait for my own entry before I execute my trade. Like I said, if you're a newbie, stay away from gold. Stay away from gold. You're a newbie. If you have not made money in the financial market, good money in the financial market, don't trade gold. I have told you guys this over 3 years of trading right now. I've told you guys about this. Except you're already making money from the market, good money, you can try out gold. Okay. Yeah. Price market is very, very sweet. So you guys saw that I withdrew 6 point something million from the market. That is not the entire profit too. I think the profit I've made this month is like I think up to 15 to 20 million. Yeah. So I just withdrew that here to sort out one or two things. In which you saw I added C400 to my roof. Yeah, C400. Just that following my status to understand what I mean. My solar panels, the value of the solar panels can buy a C300. Currently, you can, by the grace of God, you can buy C400. But anyway, stay around that stage of C300, right? Okay, so let's go look at USD. I'll just be touching pairs one by one quickly. Okay. USD is looking like USDJPY, all the JPY, GBPJPY pairs. So you use your understanding of what I've explained on JPY pairs to know where to enter for your USD. So I'm not going to dwell on that. So let's go to EURNZD as suggested by you guys. Okay. I don't like this NZD, but let's analyze, Sha. I don't like it. Okay, based on what I'm seeing, overall, we have the head and shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, and Ori. Ori is head. Then we have a level here. So what are we expecting? We're expecting market to come below. All right. So let me take this out and we analyze. I just showed you what I'm seeing overall. Overall. I hope I'm getting what I'm explaining to you guys. Okay, let's expand the charts. All right, beautiful. So like this level I was talking about, the very fantastic one. Okay. Then this. Market was ranging around this zone and it broke out of the range with a very massive candle. Fantastic. Then we have the W that formed there to try to push up. Let's go to 30 minutes and see the W very well. Okay. Yeah, the W no beleful. So you trace from this bottom right here, from this zone. Okay. Fantastic. So for me, I'm expecting a sell to the downside. I'm going to find my entry in where? In Asian or New York session. You know, as I give analysis, I don't enter the trade immediately. I wait to get my final confirmation in these sessions, Asian or London session. If I don't get my entry for London session, I get it for New York session. Okay, so that's what I do. Not as if I analyze and enter trade immediately. No, I don't trade like that, and I don't teach you guys to trade like that. We allow the market to rest. I like to breathe. Okay, so I'm looking for sales to the downside. This is a good pips to catch. A good one. That's 103 pips. A very good one to catch. Please let us trade very well this period. Trade before festive period. Trade. If you are caught using any other broker apart from TENTRADE, you'll be totally removed from the academy permanently. So you use our verified broker that is all in one. He has everything: prop firm service, funded accounts, what else again? Normal trading, And I've told you guys how to diversify your funds when trading in the forex market. I've told you guys how to do that. You have a prop account, you have a real account that you funded. Diversify your funds. As you make profit, you invest in your prop account, buy, accumulate accounts, diversify them, have a big one, have a small one, have a medium one. That is it. That is how it works to help you. Okay, so I'm just looking for sell on EURNZD and not a buy. EURNZD rather. I think that's what's the name of the broker who has not yet understand that we're talking about TENTRADE. There's no broker that I talk about apart from TENTRADE. I'm an ambassador to TENTRADE Africa. All right, so and that's super amazing. I don't get my hands involved with scam stuff. No student right here has witnessed scam or say I brought a scam something to them. No way. I go out of my way and ensure that it's possible. The $1,000 account, by the grace of God, we made it possible, and we have Omo White. Omo White is here. Sharp. Here is the guy that dashed me 100K. The guy is Omo White. Good to have you right here. Fantastic. Good to have you. I gave him multi-millionaire deal, all right, which I can give you guys, but it's not yet available. Yeah, multi-millionaire deal is not just by mouth. You must have made nothing less than a 1 million naira from the market. If you have made that, you can contact me, send me proof, then I send you the deal. If you have made 1 million, nothing less than 1 million from the market, so you're good to go. All right. Omo White, hope you are still here. In the next market review, I'm going to bring you on board. I'm going to interview you so every other person can hear you teach, and also let them know that you're also a product of FX Media and one who has also done outside research and gotten better in his trading. If you are still here, indicate in the chat section. All right, so plan for the interview. I'm going to bring you live on YouTube. So we get your lights ready, your system ready to jump in. We're going to run an interview. We're going to have a discussion. So every other mentee can learn from you as well. You understand? Hope you are here and you're hearing what I'm saying. I don't trade EURNZD. When I'm suggesting EURNZD. Okay, let's look at CHFJPY. The first market is sweet and easy. Okay, look at CHFJPY that I gave you guys analysis. Let's look at how far it's been buying. It retraced and definitely still going to go up. I thought it's going to come up here, right? It's going to come up. Imagine that you've been buying from the market review that I've been teaching you guys from here. At this point, at least you should have gotten about take profit 4 or 5, because this daily time frame, there's a lot of pips for candles to get here. A lot of pips. You need to take profit 4, or even 5 or 6, 7. So it's definitely going to get here, except there's a change in the direction of the market. All right, so my wife is there. Fantastic. All right, so you have gotten my message. Beautiful. So when I started coming over to the office, I'm supposed to take you to TENTRADE office. Plan for it. And my mic, Omo White, you carry my mic for your clothes. I mic'd Omo White for a short interview. This pin mic. I don't quite remember to come on the mic. Now so Omo White carry my mic. Go here, so you don't even know. You don't even know say you can. On my white, I better go come with my mic. Okay. All right. Well, I'm not looking at much for this week. I think we're going to actually stop here. We're going to stop here. Yeah. Because we actually look at some market. Now, if there's any other setup in the market, those of you in the Forex Traders group, we're going to let you know about that. My White made 1.2 million naira the day that I sent 300K. Yeah. It makes millions every day. Yeah. The interview that I did, just a little talk that I had, I think 1 minute. I've not yet posted it. I'll edit it and post it this week. But majorly, like I said, I'm going to bring him on board on YouTube. I think our next YouTube live should get prepared. Maybe this Sunday or next 2 weeks Sunday. Okay. So that's it. Thank you, Wilfred, fundamentals. Let's go and look at the news before our trade will start. A lot of Forex millionaires that FS Media has trained and they're still coming on YouTube live. So you see humility. You see that learning never stops. The first comment I saw from Momo White is learning never stops. So just imagine that. There is now you that just learn small indicator. You don't enter your brain. You don't go open academy. They write pay $200 for mentorship. $200 where you no pay to learn. Now you don't go form academy, add effects at the back of your name. Only small indicator where you just learn or small support and resistance. You don't go add effects, open academy. Continue. Continue until you open your hands by yourself. All right, so we have the economical calendar. Okay, so Monday, the November 25th, what do we have? Based on one of the strategy for fundamental that I will explain to you guys. I don't give full details right here because it's a free YouTube live. So if I give all information right here, so what about the VIP? There's no point having a VIP. So you can say I can't give every information. So I restrict some information for VIPs. Okay. All right. So one of the strategy for trading fundamentals here is what fundamental controls your market. You can actually analyze technically and execute your trade. Fundamentals can come in and change the direction of your trade, hit your stop loss, and you're gone. Whether you're using SMC or using ICT or using price action or you're using price action and SMC, fundamental can scatter your trade. Okay. And the thing you need to understand is if anyone is boboing you that SMC is better than PA, that's price action, don't listen to that person. I'm telling you, don't listen to that person. Just be good at any strategy that you are comfortable with. SMC, does it work? Yes. PA, does it work? Yes. Indicator, does it work? Yes. ICT, does it work? Yes. So it's left for you to improve yourself. Okay? Improve yourself in whatever strategy you're using. Okay? It's not a thing of this one is better than PA or PA is better than this. Now, if you check very well, your biggest trader in the world are even doing PA. All right, it's just SMC guys that are just coming up gradually, coming up like DAX, King FTP, those guys that are coming up. This guy, what's his name? This short guy. King Souls, that guy too. David Archer, the one that I invited for one of our YouTube live, is a PA trader, and David Archer makes hundreds of millions. Yeah, hundreds of millions from the market. Yeah, it's a PA, full-time PA. and he's making money real, which I've seen with my eyes. Great man, the man they call great man, the lion that do, you know him now. He used to do in every event. That was a fantastic man. He does PA. I saw with my kokoro eyes like this that he has withdrawn up to $1 million in excess. PA trader, strictly PA, and he trades gold, only gold. PA. The guy is building. I said the guy. Sorry, sir. In case you're in this life, sorry, sir. You're not a guy. The man, my Ogasa, is building an estate in Abuja. I saw the houses on his phone. Fantastic estate. Fantastic. You know, and you need to see his fleet of cars. Very, very amazing. All right. Does Forex work? Forex works very well. Winner, I said chat me on Instagram, okay? Winner, you know this guy. I don't forget. So I say, which is PA? PA is price action. That's what I mean. So let's continue fundamental. On Monday, we have nothing. Nothing serious. Low, medium, we have no business. So meaning Monday, your technicals will work. So you have full chest on that. Your technicals will work well with no interruption of fundamentals. All right. Tuesday, what else do we have? Okay. We have high impact news on Tuesday at 4 p.m. That's New York session. At least you should have gotten a signal London session and New York. London session, hold your trade to New York, take your money out. All right. So the strategy for trading high impact news that I share with you guys only, one of the strategy is that either you are taking out your profits before the market, before the news is released, the high impact news is released, or you break even while you're waiting for the high impact news, or you exit your trade before the high impact news. After the high impact news, you can come back to the trade again. So that is strategy you can use for high impact. Then for volatility like NFP, CPI, FOMC, those ones have a strategy that is for VIPs. I won't say that. Those ones, there are people that trade only news and they make money out of it. They trade twice or three times in a month, and what they make is enough to cover them for 2 months or 3 years. Very crazy, right? It shock you. Trade is very sweet. You invest your time, give your best shot at it. Keep learning, keep studying. I study every day. Because if you look very well, you see my notepad. If you see side, they post every time, but guys, what is going on behind the screen is crazy. I talk to my staff, students, answering you guys, thousands of you guys still studying, getting better, striking deals here and there, looking for opportunities. A lot of work behind my phone. And you see me posting status, it doesn't mean I don't get work. It's just me being me, naturally, to just make everybody to be happy, enjoy the status post, laugh while you learn trading or learn one or two things, be inspired about life, post withdrawals or post trade to encourage you, post people's testimonies, I make my status fun. That is just me. But what I do behind my phone and my system is super, super crazy, man. Super crazy. Okay. So USD, we have FOMC on Tuesday. Speaking of FOMC, now these are high impact news that is going to move a lot of pips in the market. So Wednesday, AUD, watch out, AUD high impact news is dropping at, okay, AUD CPI, okay, CPI indicator. All right, so that's on Tuesday, 1:30 a.m. during Asian section. Okay, so if you are trading AUD JPY pairs, then you have to look out for this. You may not hold your trade overnight. You can take out profit or break even. Okay, so not necessarily euro. All right, so we have this USD high impact. Watch out, 2:30 during New York session. All right, core. This should be CPI. Yeah, CPI. November. That's amazing. Okay, 2:30. So this week is amazing. Now, Wednesday, CPI is dropping. Continuing jobless claims. Job claims 4 weeks average. Initial jobless claims. Personal income, personal spending, PCE price index, and so on and so forth. All right. Annabella said, after creating a TENTRADE account, someone called me asking when I want to fund my account, and I don't know if it's a customer service. Yeah, it's a customer service. That person's account manager. Save the number, chat them on WhatsApp. Okay. Pascal said, what are the things? So, what are the things you look out for before entering a trade after you have done your weekly analysis? I'll be doing, look at, I'll be doing analysis with you guys, show you how I enter my trade. My last confirmation is my candlestick. Okay. My candlestick. And my last confirmation. All right, so let's go to Thursday rather. Okay, on Euro, we have our impact news when 10 in the morning. Watch out, Euro. So Friday, what do we have? JPY has our impact, watch out. So this week, aside Monday, from Tuesday, be married to your FS book or daily FS or Forex factory, be married to it, okay? Look at it very well. So to guide you, so that not when you be making profit before you know it, trade a bit yourself. Okay. All right. I think that'll be all for now. Yeah. I'll just take one or two questions and we go done. Do you have any question? I'll just take one or two. If you have question, talk to me. Mr. Nice, first say we need this video. It's going to be uploaded on YouTube, okay? So can you set, I guess it's a newbie. Can you set more than 2 take profit on one chart? Yes, sure. Is that advisable for new traders to trade many pairs? As a new trader, you can explore, trade many pairs, but as you are exploring, reduce your pairs. Don't trade everything. Reduce your pairs. At the beginning, you can trade everything, but you are studying them as you're coming, reducing your pairs. At least you should not have more than 5 pairs that you trade that you're master of. I've given this example over and over again on this. So you'll not be running up and down like a shower. Okay. Patricia said what? Sir, you asked me to send proof of my payment for evaluation account before I could. I not say proof of evaluation. Like I said, okay. I said send me your account. Like if the email sent to you when you made your purchase, that's what I asked you to send, not your transaction. The proof of email sent to you when you made your purchase. Anybody that has pending message, we send it. Should send it to me. All right. After this live. So I said my account has been credited 9 months ago. Can I still fund? Sure, you can fund anytime. Instant funded account evaluation, which is better? Well, instant funded is better. Okay, but if your money no reach instant funded, you can buy evaluation, no problem. But instant funded is better, so that the first profit you make, you can withdraw instantly. They are trying to pass test. Okay, I'm not saying evaluation is not good. Evaluation is good. If that's where your money reach, fine, no problem. Instant account, want that, fine. If your money reach, fine, no problem. Is it true that this stuff is risky? Everything in life is risky. But what makes you to still be alive today is that you take calculated risks. So in trading, you take calculated risks. Everything is risky in this life, okay? So where can I get fundamental from? You can get it from my Forex factory, my FS book, daily FX. See, please, when we're in class, don't be using your mouth to participate in the class. Use your eyes and your ear. Because this question you asked right now, you should have seen at the top of the news place that is my FS book that we're talking about. But you still ask a question about where can you get news. You're not paying attention. All right. Studio says there's space between the promo code. No space. I've said this over and over again. They are joined together. FS Media in small letter plus 28. Join together. What if, which person is this? What if that does it oversold? On the golden course, can I buy? I don't get your question very well, David. So what brokers do you recommend? I said I recommend only TENTRADE. I'm very late today. If you are late, go and watch the recorded session tonight. Okay? I think that will be all for today. So I encourage everybody to trade well. This is the period you have, the last period of the year that you have to trade very well. Trade very well. Trade. If you have not traded the real accounts for months, trade. Start trading. Don't use your investment money to spend. Don't spend it on Christmas matters. Not that on in January you now be looking like one that needs help. People don't get money to give person. Oh. People get problem. They get their own problem. Oh. Okay, people get their own problem. Oh. People get their own problem. No go dey beg people. So create your own money for yourself. Okay, create your own money for yourself. That is it. So keep trading. Use our promo code. Use our link. You know, get yourself involved so you can be in the VIP. More goodies to come in. And like I said earlier, the cost for a funded account right now is not going to remain the same. It's actually going to go up. So take advantage of what you have. Rate is still going to go up. It's still going to get to 2,000 per dollar. So don't sleep. Open your eyes. Earn in dollars and spend in. All right. One love. I love you all. And what else again? Stay safe this week. Be a good person. You know, marry to the charts. All right. Don't forget to pray in the morning when you wake up. Please don't. If you have that habit of when you wake up, you carry your phone and start pressing. Please stop it. I've said this thing countless times that when you wake up, at least try pray, make you know whether you stay talk. You understand? Because if you carry phone, they press, and you never talk anything. When you want to talk, if you don't be baby, maybe devil won't come wine you. So when you wake up, start pray. Even if it's your heart, just say thank you, Lord, for today. That's okay. Thank you, Lord, for making you to sleep and wake up this morning. Fine, no problem. Can pick up your phone. Okay? So please, prayer is very important. We are not the makers of ourselves. Probably you're a Muslim or you're a Christian, it doesn't matter. We are not the makers of ourselves. We have a maker. So we have to pray. All right? There are so many unforeseen, what I call it. There are so many forces, negative forces that we can't see with our eyes. Negative energy. So we need to consistently be in the spirit and pray so that those things will not attack anybody. All right. So instead of moving forward, now be going backward. No, we don't want that kind of thing in your idea. So moving forward, ever, continuously. All right. Just ask me, boss, do you trade with indicators? Yeah, I combine indicator, price action, and other strategies as well. Okay. Yeah. So that is it. Thank you so much, guys. I've given everybody the information that they need for tonight. Do have a lovely week. Bye.